Hello, welcome to Facebook and also welcome to day 1 of Excel Basics. Today we'll be covering an introduction to Excel and how to use it effectively. Excel is a powerful tool in organizing and analyzing data in a spreadsheet format. We will learn about Excel and more about basic Excel. To get started, open Excel on your computer. You will see a grid with rows and columns, which is where you will input your data. The cells are where you can put numbers, text or formulas. Now you can navigate through the spreadsheet by using the arrow keys on your keyboard or by clicking on the cells with your mouse. You can also use the scroll bars to move up and down or side to side. To enter data into a cell, simply click on the cell and start typing. You can also edit the data by clicking on the cell and making changes.